Hello from Slovenia again. I got this, Chris sent me this 8-petal flower-shaped cup with different bottoms, but today I will try just this regular one, kind of that it looks like my other flower-shaped cups. And I will try to do a reverse flower dip, and I will measure this for kind of a middle, and I'm using just this little 8x8 canvas today because I want to see how this 8-petal flower-shaped cup works. So, and I will use kind of Halloween Halloweenish colors. I have gold, red, reflex orange and pearl white, so I will start with pearl white, of course. But oops, maybe my pearl white is a little thick, and I will add gold next. Probably I will have to thin down my pearl white a little bit. Just a second, because I think that it's a little too thick. And I'm almost out of my pearl white, and I can't buy it anywhere, so I don't know. I will have to find something to replace it better. Pearl white again. Oop. Didn't mean to drip here. And I will add this cadmium red middle hue. I will list all the colors into the description box, so you will be able to check them there. And I will add reflex not rose, orange next to this red, because I like these two colors together because they create such a beautiful effect. And I will add one more layer, so pearl white, and I will go with black here. Because I want some... Oh, what is with my black? Have some weird things in there. And pearl white again. And gold. Pearl white again. And red, and I hope that I will not get a lot of pink. Hope not. And orange. maybe I want to end up with gold. This will be it. A little of pearl white again and gold. Okay, and I will grab my skewer. And let's see what is underneath here. A lot of white. So I have a lot of paint. Obviously it will go over the edges. I forgot that I have this canvas, that it's smaller. And I will just leave it like this and spray my napkin and see what will happen before everything will flow off my sides. Okay. So let's lift this carefully and try to get a nice flower shape. I'm really curious how this will work with this 8 petal shape. And I didn't do quite a nice job with lifting part probably, but and my torch died, so I will just use my heat gun. I don't know if this gold in the middle was the best idea, but maybe it will look nice when it will be dry, because gold will dry nicely, but I don't like this middle. I really don't. Maybe it will change a little bit. Just a little. See, it's dead. And I didn't get a lot of lacing, probably because this pearl white was just the last that I have. Maybe I didn't add enough pearl white. Just thinking, but I will leave it and see how this will dry. So it is quite different with 8 petals, you see, and probably you can see what I'm thinking about the middle when I said that I kind of don't like this middle much. But it's not so bad, and I like this 8 petal look. The only thing that bothers me is middle. But let's see how this will dry. Maybe it will be okay. So this is it for today. This is my Halloweenish kind of reverse flower dip with 8 petals shaped cup. Maybe I will, not maybe, I will try those other, you know, buttons and see what will happen with those. Maybe it would work well with this one, I don't know. So let's see and experiment a little more. I know that I will get a little more reaction here in the middle, so maybe it will be okay at the end. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!